Well, today we got this high schooler's iPhone 15. We actually threw a logoed glass on there instead of a logoless. Got the option for both. I guess the logoless is actually legal, copyright. These guys have to be smuggled in because it's technically against copyright law to make counterfeit glass. I like the logoless glass better anyway. I'll take that every time. Yep. He's ready to go. Definitely needs a new screen protector on that bad boy, but otherwise she's ready.